guys. I'm also sorry that this is coming right in the loading screen. Nowadays, that's my thing now. So, I don't know if you like this. Okay, that's cool. I like this stuff around it. I don't know. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah. When you see you guys from the pool map, you cannot upload it. It's technically just something like a swiper map. I'll close my door. I'm sorry about that, guys. Just close my door. Okay, so this seems like a good map. I'm not that good at fighting, so I hope this map will help me learn to fight. Let's see. Or will it do for? I know. Okay, let's just join. Yeah, I'm a good player in case you don't know, guys. Yeah, I know it's too easy. It's too easy. Because it is too easy. It's a parkour. Parkour's kind of hard. Oops! Because I cannot do 3 block jumps. I can only the maximum jump you can actually do. Oh no! Oh, this act. I like it. I like this act a lot. Yeah. Who's this? Officer? No. Oh wait, I'm kind of cool. What are these things in my inventory? I don't know. Can it be fun? Oh no, Scarecrow's a real bad idea. What are you gonna choose a Scarecrow? Come on, choose 41. He just showed us Scarecrow. No! Let's see though. Let's see. Oh. I knew it was a bad idea. I think it's showing us, but I think one of them is being a Scarecrow, and the other one is getting hunted. Okay, that's. I said so. Let's try a flag. Let's raise a flag. I like to raise a flag here and then. What? Is this ninjas? Yeah, that's cool, but I think raising a flag. Oh. Well, this area looks cool. Although, I wonder, are there barrier blocks around here? No. Oh, you can just simply go. Cool, that's cool. That's so cool. I love it. You can just simply just go up. Okay, next time maybe off camera I'll try it and then we'll see. Anyways, it's this game. Okay, in case you're not know, guys, this game's real hard. Like that they actually put some other games into it. Hey, stop trying to break it. Actually, why don't you break it? Okay. Oh, you made it out. Okay, so what's up here? Is there some sort of parkour to do? Oh, this is our flag. So our flag is here. Where's their flag? Wait, how's Sam that winning? Wait, can you grab? Oh, you have so many. Wait, you don't have a ball. Oh, wait, yeah, we do have a ball. Okay, we can get so much. Maybe like a crafting table. I feel like in this world we don't need like crafting tables. Oh, I see them. I just see them. Oh! I almost just fell off the edge. And great, the guys that cannot fight. Okay, great. This is easy. Dude, it's supposed to be a hard game. But these guys, they cannot stand Mighty Jaden. Obviously. Oh, that's a good idea. Actually, can you give me some of your bows? I mean arrows. I said bows. Oh, we have. I just fought with pickaxe. No, fight! I got it. I did something. Oh, I heard him. Hit him? Oh no. Dude, don't Don't miss your shots. Try. Keep trying. All you need to do is just slow down, you know? That's a bad idea. What else? I'm just gonna. What's in here? Oh, water. Oh! We gotta protect our flag. Okay. So that's good. Oops! He got hurt. Oh. Okay. So now we just have to. Yeah. In case you don't know, guys, when I'm wearing glasses, it's just gonna block extra light. Okay, so I'm not like blind or anything. I'm just trying to make sure that my eyes don't get hurt by this. So that's just why I'm wearing glasses. Oh no, you just hit me. I'm really afraid when that happens. But I said they cannot fight. Maybe they can kind of. Oh. Just like that, we won. Okay. We won. Who just went into this? Oh, she went to that. Right. Oops. Oh. Wait, seems like that other one was not the hard game. That's why I did not lose that easily. This is the hard game. I see an end pearl. I'm not ready. Apparently. Just don't look at that character, okay? Okay. Counting down to 1. Okay. Oh, we have armor. Wait, I'm on the red team. I think the blue will have blue armor. Yeah, I saw them. The blue armor. Yeah, I see them. That's. I cannot. Okay, what am I going to do now? Oh. Can't do that. Oh, boy. Okay. Oh. Hey, you! Okay, you know what? I'm gonna. Because they're, not letting me. Oh my god. Okay, you're part of my team. So you should not hurt me. I don't think they can. Can I hurt them? Can I hurt them? No, I can't. I cannot hurt our players. So if they're on my team, I cannot hurt them. I wonder, can I take my armor off? No, I can simply take my armor off. That's so cool. Oh, fight! Dream? Oh no! Dream! Dude, this is not good. Dream is so bad. Dream is just so hard to get. Oh no. You know, Dream is the best Minecraft fighter. Oh no, Dream. No. I don't think you can fight me though. Okay. You know, I'm really not killing so many blue team guys. So I guess I should. Oops! I was trying to get that. So apparently you just shoot them. Oh! I did not see that come. See, that's why I told you guys it's a hard game. That's why I said it's a hard game. So are you on the blue team finally? No, beyond red team. Okay. Oh wait, I think I saw blue. Did you just go in there or did you just come to go in there? I see blue. I see blue. I saw it. I see. The blue team. We kill him! We got the blue. And we got more blue. Wait, he dropped blue blocks. Blue blocks turn to red. I think the blue blocks turn to red blocks. We're on red team. Can you move out of the way, please? I don't know your name, but oh no! Ooh. That's so dangerous. Oh I'm not too much of a fighter fan. But anyways, oh, I hit. Did he fall into the void? I think he seriously just fell into the void. I think that's what happened. He fell into the void. So let's just drain. Hey. Who hit me? Who hit me? This is a hard game, guys. We'll win this, and yeah, hopefully the video will be over. That's seriously how long I'm gonna take. Yeah. Also, guys, please leave a comment on this video because I really had a hard time. Because I really no. Not bad. Oh. Bingo! I hit him with an arrow. Oh wait. Look at me. That's cool. Okay. I got the 2 arrows back. So, it's time. Fight. Oh. Arrows. I'll find a sword. I'm good at finding a sword. I'm also good at arrow. I'm also good at using a bow. I was trying to get on the art block. Okay. Oh, you know what? That's a good idea. Good air. From this. Oh, we did it. Yes. I was just gonna climb it. Okay, but we won, so. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, so, that was pretty fun. Let's try another one. Also, I was saying bye a bit too late. Yeah, that's not a problem. Okay, so that just means that, yeah, I'm not checking the time here and there, and it's ending the video right at 5 minutes, or it's just ending the video before I say anything. So yeah, it ends the video as well. So sorry if it is a little bit of disturbance. I don't say bye in my video, so sorry about that. Oh, I need to learn to fight in Minecraft. Oh. Oh. What did they do? Did someone ban me? Did someone just ban me from? I don't know. What happened? What has happened? It just said, there was a one that said okay on it. What happened? Oh no. I don't know. Okay. So, yeah. I guess we're going to my Minecraft world. Yeah, also I have some Minecraft worlds for you. So, we got, well, I will also show this in our video, but we actually got, you know, I forgot the name of the city. But really, it's just a nice city. It's just a nice part of it. Yeah, really. I've never played this before. I just bought it. What's the name? That's book. You'll find things out. Oh, they want us to go on Crave or Swallow? I'm Swallow. Go to Swallow. Oh. Wait, are you going to speak their language? He's just like me. But it's just not Steve. You gotta be Steve. And also, wait. Okay. You can move him, that's cool. But you can I'll only open the chest if you subscribe and leave a like on this video. You did? Okay, good then.